So the theme for this little vacation, excursion, whatever you want to call it, is living life on purpose. I really don't know if there is life after death, though I seriously doubt it as an atheist. But what I do know for sure is that there's life before death, and you've really got to fill it up. And someone I met recently closes every, by the way, I keep looking down because there's a snake about a foot away from me. And I have no idea if it's poisonous or not, but we'll hope it's not. But recently met someone who finishes every email with the phrase "pura vida," which means pure life, and I really like that. It's a good way to live. And so I don't even know what the name of this little body of water is, this creek, or there's actually a lot of white waters in it. You can't really tell from where I'm standing. But I'm on my way up to the Nayauca Waterfalls, and I'll be giving a little update here and there on the way. Hey, so I've been hiking through the Costa Rican rainforest here for about an hour. I'm going to the Nayauca Waterfalls. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And I just wanted to stop here and make a short video and see if you can hear these sounds. I'm sure the iPhone's not going to do it justice, but I hear all kinds of monkeys and birds and insects, different things. And there's a whitewater rapids right back behind me. So I hope you can hear that. By the way, I could have gotten most of the way here by, I guess maybe half of the way here by taking a 4x4. I would have had to pay a little extra for it, which is fine. The cost was negligible. But this is the reason I wanted to walk. I would miss things like this. I'm pretty sure I would not have seen this and some of the other things that I've seen if I was riding in a car. All right, let's keep going. Well, I hiked 12 kilometers to bring you guys this. I hope you enjoy it. This is waterfall number 1. I'm gonna go get a closer look, and then I'll go check out waterfall number 2.